This is the Yajna Frankincense and Myrrh, and this is 100% natural hand-dipped incense sticks. They're also organic, chemical-free, and they come with 100 sticks. How cool is that? And they smell so good. And these are also hand-rolled with essential oils and soaked for a minimum of 48 hours. And each incense stick is around 8 inches. And it also burns for about 40 to 50 minutes, and the fragrance lasts as long as 24 hours in a room. These are also free of any harmful chemicals, and it's 100% natural and organic. These are also very easy to use. Just pull out a stick and then put it in an incense holder. If you don't have an incense holder, an easy way is to put it into a cup of rice, and it will stick straight up. Then all you have to do is light it up, wait a few seconds, and then blow it out gently. And then you'll see the ember burning at the tip. And that's it, you're ready to go. These will burn for about 40 to 50 minutes, and the scent can even last as long as 24 hours. We're really happy with our purchase and hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.